Eating bananas every day can have various effects on your body due to their nutritional content and health benefits. Nutrient intake. Bananas are rich in essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. Consuming bananas daily can help ensure you meet your daily recommended intake for these nutrients. Digestive health. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber content can also support a healthy gut by promoting regular bowel movements. Energy boost. Bananas are a great source of carbohydrates, mainly in the form of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick energy boost, making bananas a popular choice for a pre-workout snack. Heart health. The high potassium and low sodium content in bananas can help maintain a healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and natural sugars in bananas can help regulate blood sugar levels. Bananas have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Improved mood and mental well-being. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which is important for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. Serotonin is known as the feel-good neurotransmitter, and consuming bananas may help improve mood and reduce stress. Better immune function. The vitamin C content in bananas can support a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Bone health. The presence of potassium in bananas is beneficial for bone health. It can help in maintaining proper bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Weight management. Bananas are relatively low in calories and fat, making them a good choice for those looking to manage their weight or maintain a healthy weight. However, it's important to consume bananas in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Eating an excessive amount of anything, including bananas, can lead to an imbalance in your diet and potential health issues. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Improved athletic performance. Bananas are a favorite among athletes due to their natural sugars, potassium, and vitamins, which can enhance endurance, reduce muscle cramps, and provide a quick energy boost during physical activities. Aid in anemia prevention. Bananas contain a decent amount of iron, which is essential for producing hemoglobin in the blood. Including bananas in your daily diet can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and maintain healthy blood. Assist in stress reduction. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that gets converted into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and reduce stress levels, promoting an overall sense of well-being.